Oh! Hey, yo, the trailer! Hit the trailer! Hey! He's not about it. Got some cool graffiti up here. This is lit. Okay, okay, yes, sir! What's going on, y'all? I'm out here with my buddy Rob from Atlanta, and we are going to explore this abandoned building that I found. I've never been in it, so it should be fun. I know the 110 will fit in there. I don't know if this thing will fit in here. And now Rob's just burning me up, running circles around me. Oh, with the hand drag. Hit the little Supermoto pop jump. Whee! Hey, yo, the trailer! Hit the trailer! Hit the trailer up there. Yes, sir. Got the 110 work going down. Oh no, we can't. There's no ramps. What's my man plotted? He's plotted. Oh, he's going for it. He's going for it. Be quick. Be quiet. Dude is probably in his truck. Hey! That's funny. Broke him out of his truck. That was too funny. Oh, that was hilarious. Bro's like, comes out. What the hell?
Like we paid him to do that.
Paid actor, guys.
Streets are closed.
Yeah.
Big movie set.
Exactly. So, at least they even had the ambulance here. That's how professional we are. It was already here just in case, on site. Dang, the ladder sold. Oh, Rob taking it up there on the incline. He got to slide down. Ah, I called it! Yes, sir. 110 zooming. Ah. Yes, sir. Oh, with the drop back. Ah. Stop. Stop. So yeah, when I was coming back with the parts for 300, I got lost. So I was trying to make a shortcut, turned into a long cut. But it turns out it's good I did that because now I found this abandoned building back here. And I went and hit the parking lot, but I can't not in my truck. And I saw a little peephole to get in. But yeah, looks quite abandoned if you ask me. Some red pants. Ain't no way in right here. Looks like I'll definitely get a flat. But right here is our little loophole. Yo, there's a bird scooter inside. No, I might just take that to go ride if my bike won't fit. Somebody was definitely living in here. I'll grab my flashlight so y'all can see. It's too bad my bike doesn't have a headlight. But yeah, there's a bird scooter in here already. So I might just take that. Looks like a storage unit of some kind. Yeah, definitely a storage unit. Somebody's definitely living in here. Rent free for sure. Oh yeah, they had a fire going down in there with the black. Rob, don't leave me, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, there's some footprints. Oh, yo. I guess up we go. Got a little walkway. Oh, that can't be good. Watch yourself on these stairs. Probably should have got the key to my bike. I don't like this. Oh, that's sturdy. That one's sturdy. Okay. Okay. This one looks less sturdy. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I'm holding the flashlight. Got some cool graffiti up here. This is lit. Some more graffiti. Hey, yo, it's like Storage Wars, you know?
It's like a jail versus Storage Wars.
For real. What's in here? This is interesting. I don't like this. Oh, let's go. I've been needing this. I'm about to run up somebody's insurance rates. They got the State Farm tracker. When I hit the drop back, bro, or even this is about to run it up. They were just in an accident. Did I hit you?
Nope.
Okay. Oh my God, that was loud.
Just do it, bro.
Nike. Imagine get the 300 up here, ghost ride it out. Too bad it's broken. One mic and I'll ghost ride my 450 out of this, y'all. Oh, the fireplace. That's what this was right here. No chimney though.
Been here, you know, 7 years. He gets it for free.
Timber. Oh, the tents was holding it together. Oh, yo, they really stripped the bird scooter. I guess there's a little bit of copper left. I might take that. No good. There we go. Oh, yeah, bird jump, bro? Nothing beats a good bird jump. Where's Rob coming in? Oh, we're just going straight for it. Oh, he went for the bunny hop. I'm more of a bird yeeter, like. Oh, there you go, there you go. What's he going for? The wheelie over. I'll hit the boom boom. Winding up for a big send. Yo! Alright, we're going for a send, boys. All or nothing right here. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. I took the tree to the face. I'm going for the wheelie challenge. Both feet on, both feet on. Okay. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, okay, yes sir! Oh! Oh! Bro, you're hitting cones, crashing pit bikes? Yes sir, look at that. Maybe get some new gloves. Y'all might be right. So we're talking about angry dude on the trailer. What? Oh, it's the same dude, bro. Hit the trailer again. he's so mad. He's been waiting forever for the.
Ask him this time.
Yeah, actually.
Can I jump off your?
Ask him, bro. He's probably just angry. He's been waiting around there so long for his load to get picked up or whatever.
This is how long it takes for the cops to get there.
Yeah, for real. Can we jump off your trailer? Can we jump off your trailer? Oh, hell yeah. We thought you were mad, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Badass. Hell yeah. Take it easy, bro. 450.
Really?
Yeah. About to get hit out by an Altima, bro. You know they ain't got insurance.
Yeah, that thing's freaking sick.
Hell yeah. Damn, what'd you do to yourself?
I fucking cut it whenever I just unloaded a car.
Damn, bro.
I fucking sliced my hand on my fucking trailer. That's what I was telling him. I was like, be careful, there's sharp shit.
Oh, we thought you were yelling at us.
I'm telling y'all there's sharp shit because I just sliced my hand on it.
Oh,
that's something. Hold on 1 second. Alright. For sure, Gage. Gage, Rob.
Paul, nice to meet you.
Nice truck too, man.
That might be doable. Bro, just that's the ramp. that dude was super cool. He let us break out the ramps, y'all saw. Oh, we'll take Rob through Crackhead Villa. In Crackhead Cross we go. Black Cat. Howdy. Yo, somebody's on. Oh, that was me probably when I rode the 300. I saw dirt bike tracks. I'm like, somebody was on dirt bike. Oh, wait, that was definitely me. And we'll. Rob, it's slippery. Okay, we'll let him know. 110 jumps, yes, sir. Oh my god, that's slippery. It's slippery. Oh. It is Friday evening, so crackheads should be outside popping, doing their thing. So hopefully we can find Mr. Calhoun, because that would be pretty cool to find Mr. Calhoun and buy Dorian's bike from him. Oh, what is Rob about to do? You better ride on this? Let's see it. Yes, sir. Graham Jarvis, do wheelie. Oh, let's go. Oh, Rob said, oh, he did hit the lawn. I thought he was about to go over the lawn. He said, nah, we good. Just annoy all these homeowners with obnoxious brapping. So Rob is saying he's going to go up this, hit the jump, wall ride, and jump down. And I'm just lucky to ride up and down this thing. Why does it look steeper than I remember? Ski-yee. Down Rob goes. Look at him, he's a madman. Wheeling up that thing. Look at him. Bro, dude's insane. Look at this. Oh, he slipped. See, I like Rob. He doesn't need any instigation. He just does. Oh, he's going in the trenches to get up some speed. There you go. There you go. There he goes. There he goes. Oh! Bro's a madman. Look at him go. Oh, I'm gonna trash juice. His front tire was literally turned like this and he gassed it. Hurts. Oh, big flats. Yeet. Rob don't be crashing, he be wildin'. Well, now the fun part, Rob needs to get up this, which... Oh, no, oh! Oh, dang, Rob's rear wheel's bent. Should I tell him? I'll tell him after we're done riding, but not to kill his ride, like, you know. Oh, no way, bro, what the hell? Oh my god, on the 110, surfing that thing. Oh, can we stop before the water? Yep. The dry tires. Yeet. The ski. Rob hits it with style, I don't. Rippin'. Yes, sir, with style. You gonna hit the stairs on that thing?
For sure.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll make it, but I'll hit it.
I don't think you'll make it, but we'll see.
It's a Yamaha, baby.
It's a Yamaha. You and me are having anal. Sorry, Rob. No way Rob makes it up these stairs. If he does, he is a legend. No way. No way. Oh, bro almost had it. No way. No way. He got the second set. Legend. Now I really can't mess this up. Fuck yeah, bro. I don't know if I've seen that before.
Alright. First set was a little choppy. I had to get some weight on the back.
Yeah, second one you went right up. Oh, sorry to tell you, your rear wheel's like bent.
Dude, it's a little...
Yeah, I was like, I'll tell him after the ride not to kill his vibe. But yeah, you know.
I don't feel it at all.
Oh no, there's a cop. There's a cop. There's a cop. They don't see us. I don't think she sees us. They don't see us. Oh, we went over them. We're literally above the law. Bro, we're above the law.
I just saw her in the video earlier. Dallas TV, baby.
Bro, we're above the law. Yo, somebody did a cold air intake delete on the street. Alright, so we're going to Walnut Hill Inn and we're trying to find Calhoun. There's already prostitutes out. Huh. Is there a Calhoun? No, I don't know a Calhoun. There's pimps. There's no Calhoun. Huh. Their front desk. Oh, well, that's the front. Do we ask the front desk lady? Where's Calhoun? Yeah. I don't like that Escalade pulling out after us. Out working Friday evening. Oh, that looks wet. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, almost slipped out. Eat. That's lit. Is she gonna wall ride? No way. What the hell? Rob always pulls something out of somewhere. Oh, what the hell? He got both wheels. One more. Oh, I thought he was coming down towards me. I started running. This man's a madman on the 110. Madman. You gonna hit the doo-doo jump? Yep. I'll try it. I think I got this. Famous last words. Off that? Am I gonna die? What? Well, that was anticlimactic. Anyways, guys, that's a vlog. Don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and shout out Rob for coming out riding and always shredding, no matter whether it was 450 or 110. He's outside with it, always a blast. So, y'all take it easy.